Hi guys, it's Ellie, and thanks for joining me for another cute and easy drawing tutorial. Most of you voted for a mermaid last week, so stay tuned if you want to learn how to draw Ariel the Little Mermaid using easy one-stroke painting techniques. Before we dive into this week's step-by-step tutorial, here's a shout out to our cute drawing of the week. If you'd like to have your cute drawings featured in next week's art video, check out Kawaii Art Tribe on Instagram. The links are in the description below. These are the one-stroke paints that I'll be using. I chose these paints because they are made from skin-safe ingredients that are safe for kids too. And here are the brushes we need for this design, but feel free to draw along using paper, markers, or your favorite colored pencils too. Let's start by using our liner brush and white paint to draw a quick sketch. It doesn't need to be perfect because we'll be painting over this in the later steps. In case you made a little mistake, just use a damp round brush as your eraser. Go ahead and remove the parts you don't quite like and you're good to go. Let's start coloring using a medium flat brush with the red, orange, and yellow paint to fill in all the sections of her hair. And notice that I'm laying all three colors in a nicely blended gradient using a single stroke. That's why this is called the one-stroke painting technique. Next, use a medium round brush to pick up beige paint for her face and her upper body. No mermaid is complete without her super cute seashells, so let's use a small flat brush to pick up this pink and purple one-stroke paint to fill them in. Next, load your large flat brush with this gorgeous green and blue one-stroke paint. Try to pick up less of the darker color so that it doesn't overwhelm the whole gradient. Lay down these colors for the mermaid's tail, starting with the upper section. You should be leading the brush with the darker color on the outer edge. As we head down to the lower section, flip your brush and lead with the lighter green on the outer edge instead. Our little mermaid comes from the magical depths of the sea, so let's use a large flat brush to pick up this purple, pink, and teal one-stroke paint to give her a background. If you're ready to outline your design, pick up your liner brush and black paint. And let's work our way from the top to the bottom. If you like to learn how to draw more cute and easy drawings like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, followed by the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. Next, use a liner brush to add pink to her cheeks and her lips. With the same liner brush, use white paint to add in some highlights. If you really want your design to pop, go ahead to give it an extra outline in white. If you find these steps difficult, I have broken them down further in my free online art class for kids and beginners. And if you make it to the end of the class, I'll have a graduation gift for you too. Feel free to sign up by the link in the description below. You can also add some teardrops in decreasing sizes. These teardrops should be pointing towards the middle of your design. Our little mermaid isn't complete without some bubbles, So let's go ahead to paint in some clusters of different sizes. And there you have your super cute and easy drawing of Ariel the Little Mermaid. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to join me again next week. I am also running weekly art challenges and giveaways on Instagram, so you can check that out in the description below. And let me know in a comment if you would prefer to learn how to draw a dragon or a dog in next week's drawing tutorial. Happy drawing, guys, and I'll see you in my next art video.